In today's fast changing world, choosing the right career isn't just about passion. It's also about financial stability. If you are wondering which jobs can offer both high income and opportunities, you are in the right place. In this video, we will look at the top 10 highest paying jobs that are shaping the future and rewarding professionals with impressive salaries. Let's start with careers in the medical field. Surgeons and anesthesiologists remain among the highest earners worldwide because their work is highly specialized and critical to saving lives. Years of study, skill, and precision make them some of the most respected and well-paid professionals. Alongside them, psychiatrists and physicians also earn significantly by providing essential healthcare services. Technology continues to dominate the high-income space. Software architects and IT managers are at the forefront, creating systems and solutions that power businesses globally. With the rise of artificial intelligence and cloud computing, their demand and pay are climbing rapidly. Another hot tech career is data science. Data scientists analyze massive amounts of information to help companies make smarter decisions, and their expertise can command salaries that rival traditional high-paying fields. In the corporate world, chief executives are among the top earners. They carry the responsibility of steering entire organizations, making decisions that can impact thousands of employees and millions in revenue. Their compensation often includes bonuses and stock options, making this role financially rewarding but also highly demanding. The finance sector also offers lucrative opportunities. Investment bankers and financial managers handle large sums of money, advise on mergers, and develop strategies for growth. Their expertise in risk management and profitability earns them substantial paychecks, especially in major financial hubs. Engineering is another strong contender for high salaries, especially in petroleum engineering. These professionals design and develop methods for extracting oil and gas efficiently. And because the industry is resource intensive, their skills are highly valued and well compensated. And let's not forget about law. Corporate lawyers and legal consultants dealing with mergers, acquisitions, and intellectual property rights are among the best paid in their profession. Their ability to navigate complex legal systems makes them indispensable to large corporations. So, whether your interest lies in healthcare, technology, finance, or law, the key takeaway is that the highest paying jobs often require advanced education, specialized skills, and years of dedication. But the rewards, both financial and professional, can be extraordinary. If you are aiming for one of these careers, start by building the right skill set, gaining relevant experience, and staying updated with industry trends. The competition is tough, but with determination and the right strategy, you can secure a place in one of these high-paying fields. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe my channel IT with Faisal. See you in the next video.